Ayan na guys. Sisi, ayan na yung padala mo. I-receive ko na. Ayan. Wow. Ay, sandali pala kuya yan. Dali. So guys, today we just received a special package all the way from Bacolod, Negros Occidental, and it's from Filcan Twins. Yay, Sisi, thank you so much. Ayan, we received it already. What you will say, Adriel?
Bonjour.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
God bless you.
So guys, join us as we unbox. Join us as we unbox and see what are the different delicacies of this box. It's from our Sisi Filcan Twins, but it's all the way from Bacolod. Sisi, you're so very sweet, and thank you so much again. So guys, join us as we open the box. And Adrian is so excited. Are you excited?
Bok, bok, bok.
Are you excited?
Bok, 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 bok.
Wax, wax, wax. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're excited?
Yeah.
Really?
I have
Oh.
locked the door.
Okay.
I
Okay.
locked the door.
Yeah, they are the one get it in the door, okay? Okay, guys, let's do this. For this special gift that we received, that the LBC deliver us, and as we said, it's from Sisi Filcan Twins, and she asked her family all the way from Bacolod, Negros Occidental to send us this special package. Ariel, are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you sit down here? Sit down here. Okay. So, yan. Sandali lang, guys. Ayan. Are you ready to see what's inside the box? Okay, guys. So, yan. Sit down na.
Bingo beauty.
Okay. So, guys, let's open na. Are you ready? Okay. So, it's from LBC. Ayan. Wow. So, it's sweets and different kind of delicacies. Of course, guys, one thing I can really think of is piyaya. So, this is it from, I guess this is from her sister. See? And this is from Barangay Alihis. Okay. Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Her siblings, she asked to send this for us. Thank you, Sisi Filcan Twins. You're so sweet talaga. Yeah. Yeah.
I fall down.
You're also sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. Okay. Cannot open?
Cannot open.
No, we can. We can. We will.
We will.
Yes.
Tonight.
Guys, talagang hindi ito basta mabubuksan. Oh, Adriel, sit down.
I try. I just say.
Don't lay down, because here it is, oh. Come on, sit down.
Okay.
Oh, I see. I see already. So,
What? Can I see?
wait. Wait. Almost there. Mahirap pala guys pag gunti. Dapat pala guys, ano? What do you call that? Cutter?
Cutter.
Pero guys, yaya na. Ay, Adriel, sit down. Okay. It's almost there. Ayan guys. Talaga guys, hindi basta-basta. A box full of goodies and sweets and finest delicacies from Bong Bong'S all the way from Bacolod. Wow! Look at this, Adriel. Bong Bong'S Broas. Wow, guys, Broas. Wow, and another Broas, Adriel. Ah. And what more? Adriel, what more? Wow. Huh? Goodies? Oh, sambag bread. Oh, I never taste this before. Wait, what's that? Guys, naunahan na tayo. It's a sambag bread, Adria. Sambag bread. Wow.
No, it's this.
And what is that? It's a... Oh, Adria love this. This is...
This is
Piyaya.
Tiara.
Piyaya. Yes. And what else? So, we have 2 sambag bread. Wow, I can share it to my family. Thank you, Sisi. And wow, look at this, Adrian. Wow, guys. Barquilios. Adrian, Barquilios. Wow. Wow. Ikaw lang talaga. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, ikaw lang talaga. And guys, this is the sambag bread. Yeah, we have 2 of these sambag bread. And we have also, what's that? Show to them. Show to them. Okay. Uy! Barkiron. Barkiron, guys. Ayan. O, diba, guys? Talaga, guys, kompleto siya. And, guys, this is the famous, of course, this is the famous piyaya. And Adriel love this, and even Daddy. What else? Show it to them. Show it to them. This is, wow, guys, butterscotch. It's a butterscotch, Adria. Oh, guys, it's a lot, Sisi. And this is Biyaya Ube. Wow, Biyaya Ube. And this is another Piyaya. This is the special, what do you call that? I guess this is the original flavor. Ayan, and this is the ube. O, diba guys? Tapos talagang sabi talaga, ikaw lang talaga. Okay. And what's the flavor of this? Special, best when hot. Siguro Sisi, ano to? The same pero small pack. And of course, guys, this is the special bizcocho. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's a lot. Look at this. Oh, guys, look. It's complete, guys. It has piyaya, butterscotch, and this. Oh, thank you, Sisi. Oh, napaka-sweet ni Sisi Filcan twins. Ayan. And guys, ito, oh. Ito yung broas. Broas. Ayan. Did you like it? So, ayan. What will you say, Adriel, to Filcan twins?
Thank you.
Look at the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And we will try to think what we can send to them also, right? Huh? Right? Huh? Okay, say hi and thank you everyone. So guys, syempre, pag may unboxing tapos may ganito, syempre guys, meron na tong ano, diretso mukbang na to. Are we going to do a mukbang?
Yeah.
We're going to try it?
Yeah.
Really? You wanna try it? Ayan. So guys, ayan, super sarap nito guys. Ang dami-dami nito. So guys, ayan, samahan nyo kaming tikman isa-isa ang mga special delicacies ng assorted pastry na specialty ng Bong Bong'S. Okay, guys, you know what